So I started with this unfinished wood butterfly that I got from Hobby Lobby for $3.99. And I painted it using Antique Villa from Wise Owl Paint. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And you want to make sure you give your butterfly a nice coverage and get in all the cutouts and edges. Now, once I had my butterfly painted, I let it dry, and then using a 220 grit sandpaper, I just did a quick sanding. This helps smooth out the paint. I grabbed this metal chalkboard frame from Hobby Lobby on clearance for $2, and I grabbed a napkin, and I cut it to the size of the chalkboard, so it will sit inside the frame here. Once I had my napkin cut, I removed the back layer, which is called Apply, and using some Wise Owl varnish and a Gen foam brush, I applied the varnish to the black chalkboard. I laid my napkin on top, and then I applied another coat of varnish on top of the napkin. Using a plastic Ziploc bag, I just lay it on top and rub over it. This helps smooth out the napkin and remove any wrinkles. I let that dry and put it aside. I took this Decor metallic paint and I found this Hello Spring wood sign from Michael's for $1, and I gave it a nice coat of the metallic gold paint. Once that was dry, I took another art brush and some blue paint, and I just did a nice dry brush around each letter to help separate the words. I had found these paper flowers in the scrapbook section, and I dry brushed the blue on those as well. Using some hot glue, I attached the flowers to the body of my butterfly. And then I took this metal wire for the butterfly antennae and some beads I had, and I put a bead on each end of the wire, and then I wrapped it around the head of the butterfly. I laid the butterfly on top of the chalkboard frame, and using some E6000 glue, I attached the butterfly, and you want this to sit overnight to dry. I had these square beads that I used on the back of my Hello Spring sign, so that way it was raised off of the sign. And that's it. Now you just have this cute DIY Hello Spring sign that you can hang from your front door. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can catch some other video tutorials over on our YouTube. Have a great day.